Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Inflation Adjustment Calculator for Protect Buying Power. First, we start by setting today's monthly income goal. In this example, the target dividend income is $250 per month in today's dollars. This means the investor wants future dividend income to have the same buying power as $250 today. Next, we choose the time horizon. Here, the example uses 20 years. This means we are calculating how much monthly dividend income may be needed 20 years from now to maintain the same lifestyle value. After that, we enter the expected inflation rate. In this example, the inflation rate is 3% per year. Since inflation reduces buying power over time, the future income target needs to increase so the investor can still afford similar goods and services. Then, we calculate the future monthly income needed. The formula is future income equals today's income multiplied by 1 plus inflation rate, raised to the number of years. Using $250 per month, 3% inflation, and 20 years, the future monthly income needed becomes about $452.59 per month. Now, we enter the expected dividend yield. In this example, the portfolio dividend yield is 4% per year. This yield helps estimate how much capital may be required to generate the inflation-adjusted income. After that, we calculate the required capital. First, the future monthly income of $452.59 is converted into annual income by multiplying it by 12. Then, that annual income is divided by the dividend yield. At a 4% dividend yield, the estimated capital required is about $135,777. Furthermore, the required capital changes depending on the dividend yield. At a 2% yield, the required capital may be around $271,553. On the other hand, at a 3% yield, it may be about $181,035. At a 4% yield, it becomes about $135,777. Similarly, at a 5% yield, the required capital may fall to about $108,622. At a 6% yield, it may be around $90,518. Finally, at a 7% yield, the capital needed may be about $77,586. So, the main idea is that higher inflation increases future income needs, while a higher dividend yield may reduce the amount of capital required. However, higher yield can also come with higher risk, so investors should review dividend quality carefully. In addition, dividend yields can change over time, and this estimate does not include taxes, fees, or market risk. Reinvesting dividends may also help investors reach their income goal faster. So, the key takeaway is simple. To maintain the buying power of $250 per month for 20 years at 3% inflation, you may need about $452.59 per month in the future, and around $135,777 invested at a 4% dividend yield. This example is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.